Hi everybody, welcome to my channel Rosie Cooks. I'm making lasagna and it's inspired by that viral spaghetti that's out there, which includes a white sauce and a red sauce. This is one of the best lasagnas I've ever made. It really is a good combination. So here we go. My lasagna noodles, I'm going to cook them according to the package directions in a big pot of boiling water. So this is a big skillet and I'm adding 2 tablespoons of olive oil. To this I'm going to add 1 small chopped onion. And I'm going to cook this for about 4 minutes just to soften everything up. Now I'm going to add 2 minced garlic cloves. And now I'm coming in with 1 pound of very lean ground beef. I'm going to break up my beef and cook it until it's mostly browned. So now I'm going to add some seasonings. I have 1 teaspoon each of Italian seasoning, salt, and black pepper. So that's what I'm going to use to give this a lot of flavor. I'm going to give this a little stir. Now I'm going to come in with 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. And I'm going to mix this in. And now I have 28 ounces of tomato puree. So now I'm going to add this. I'm going to simmer it on low for about 15 minutes. Just let this all combine. You can cover it if you want or just continue to stir it. 15 minutes. So now I have a bowl, a big bowl, and I have 15 ounces of ricotta cheese and 1 egg. To this I'm going to add some flavoring. This is 1/4 teaspoon each salt, pepper, oregano, onion powder, and garlic powder. I'm adding a 1/2 cup of mozzarella cheese. And I'm going to mix this together, and this is going to be one of my layers for my lasagna. So this is a 9 by 13 baking dish. I'm adding 1/2 of a 14-ounce jar of alfredo sauce. You can make your own if you want, but I'm taking a little bit of a shortcut right here. And now I'm going to add 4 lasagna noodles. That makes 1 layer. And now I'm going to add my ricotta cheese. Adding some more noodles. Now I'm going to take 1/2 of my red sauce. And I'm going to add that. Now I'm taking 1/2 cup of the cheese. Some more noodles. This is the second part of the jar of white sauce. I'm adding some more cheese. This is 1/2 cup of the cheese. And this is the rest of my red sauce. And I'm going to top it with another 1/2 cup of cheese. So now I have a 400-degree oven waiting nice and hot. I'm going to cook this for 20 minutes. And this is what you end up with. I'm telling you, this was so good. My son said it's his all-time favorite, and I've made lasagna quite a bit. So this is lasagna with 2 sauces. Very, very good. Very tasty. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.